Hey, what's up, peeps? So, I'm so excited I get to announce, drumroll, I get to announce that I'm releasing my new, brand new, never seen before StressKicker meditations. 10 minute meditations. And they have these special binaural beats in them. It's a special technology. And it's special technology that gets you into the Zen state quickly. So what you have to do to get those binaural beats, to use them effectively, is use earphones or earbuds. Either one, doesn't matter. But just make sure that they have a really long cord for the full effectiveness of the technology. So like a 30-foot cord would be really good because it's electric, right? It's binaural beats and it's using technology. So you need to get the 30-foot cord so the electric can really, boom, right to the head, to the ears. I'm just kidding. You don't need a 30-foot cord. 20-foot cord will do. It's fine. You don't need a 20-foot cord either. In fact, hold on. I went all out. You can use this. Are you ready? You can use this wireless. That's right. I made it so that you can listen to this meditation, wired or Bluetooth. Wireless. Yes. Yep. I went all out on this, guys. So please take advantage of it. Listen to it. It's nice, lovely, splendid 10-minute meditation. In fact, it's going to look a little something like that right there. Right. In fact, what I'm going to probably do is I'm going to video a video of that. And that's it. I'll just have that playing. Oh God, I know. I just come up with these things. It's scary sometimes. It's amazing. Anyway, so when you're on the YouTube and you find something that looks like this, bingo, you'll know you're on the right one. I did it. I know. So take a look. In fact, I'm going to have a playlist and I'm going to be releasing new meditations. These binaural beats, 10-minute StressKicker meditations. Every Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday. Not an and, an or. I'm not going to be releasing 3 a week. 1 a week, Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday. So be on the lookout for those. Cool? And if you haven't checked out the StressKicker YouTube channel, come on over. I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on over. Let's go. Check it out. Hit the old subscribe button. Likey. Hit the likey too. That would be great. And let me know how these videos, how this stuff is working for you. All right? And by the way, it's free. Don't tell anybody. I made it free. I outdid myself. Really, seriously. Kidding. Of course it's free. Please tell everybody. Let them know, especially right now. We're in this pandemic chaos. People need this. Everybody needs this. StressKicker meditations, 10-minute. Just 10-minute. That's all. Quick, right? So listen to them. Earbuds. Let me know in the comment section when you get to the YouTube. Let me know, please, how they're working. And until next time, keep kicking stress.